Let's begin by installing PowerToys. Open your web browser and search for PowerToys download. Click on the first link to access the official Microsoft page. Scroll down to the Releases section, where you'll find two types of executable files. One for per-user installation, and another for machine-wide installation. For this tutorial, I'll download the machine-wide version, x64. Simply click on the appropriate file link and the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, open the executable file. When it launches, check the option that says, "I agree to the license terms and conditions," and then click Install. Once the installation is complete, open PowerToys. In the PowerToys window, you'll see a variety of useful tools listed on the left side. Keep in mind that these are advanced tools, so take your time to explore them carefully. I may explain more tools in a future video, but in this one, we'll focus on Fancyzones. Click on Fancyzones. Here, you'll see a brief description of the tool. The key thing to remember is that when you activate Fancyzones, you need to drag a window while pressing Shift at the same time. Now let's open the settings, which will bring up another settings window. You'll see a toggle to enable or disable Fancyzones. Next, click on Launch Layout Editor. You can either use one of the pre-made layouts or create your own. To create a new layout, click Create New Layout, where you can choose between a grid or canvas layout. Customize the layout to your liking and click Save. This will bring you back to the previous window, where you can select the layout you created. Finally, close Fancyzones and test it out. Remember, when you drag windows, hold down Shift at the same time, and the Fancyzones grid will appear. And that's it. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.